Hindi ako nangyari. Iba yung daan ng tao.
Mapapil na.
Ha? Hindi, may ayuda. Anim yan. Tao.
Sabay-sabay na lang para ma-join mo pa rin. Pero wala rin kami tayo. Local kasi yun. Isa lang naman ang gagawin.
Sa Macau na. Ma'am, di ako nakali sa tabi mo. Uy, may swab. May swab test pa tayo bago pumunta doon. Okay na. Last one na. May ayuda. 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 Start. Ayuda.
Sabi niya, oh.
Ganun lang kasi talaga yan eh. Ganyan lang. Rem. Ay, mo na, Rem. Hi, ma'am. Hi, sir.
Wala kami dyan sa camera.
Oh, mamaya pa.
What's the meaning of Macau? Okay, okay. Okay, so you remember my name, right? Yeah, also my Chinese name. Chao, 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 Chao. Zheng Chao. Yeah, forget your passport. Later, you're coming back hotel by your own, because when you go to immigration, they will not allow you to pass by, because that's the immigration. Okay, make sure. Yeah. So please, whole journey going to Macau, keep your passport safe. So no need to show your passport all the time. Now you can put in your handbag. Later, when we reach the immigration, I will call everybody, get ready, stand by, and you can get ready your passport. So let me give you a roughly idea what's the trip. So from here, your hotel, go to the artificial island. In fact, we call the name artificial island. Actually, it's the immigration. So we are going to there around 25 minutes driving time. When we reach there, everybody follow me. We are bus ride. Remember, don't mix up with the other bus. And then the first we are going is the immigration. They call Hong Kong immigration. You are leaving Hong Kong. You came from Philippines into Hong Kong. Now you are leaving Hong Kong. So that's leaving is very easy. There's tools for you to choose. One is the immigration officer. Sit down there, called immigration counter. Show passport they do for you. The other one we call the automatic immigration customer clearance over there. So you just go to the machine there. Usually just look at your face. If your face very clear, you can pass already. If you use the passport, very easy, you can pass. So later, of course, the intel area we call new territories. We also have a Hong Kong island, Kowloon Peninsula, Hong Kong mini harbor, Hong Kong mini port. British want to own the port. That's where they come to Hong Kong in the 1840. Hong Kong no water, Hong Kong no food, Hong Kong no anything. Everything import. So British like surrounded by mountain islands, nature typhoon shelter, water deep 22 meters, Victoria Harbour, top 3 harbour in the north. This is the attraction. This is the meaning of Hong Kong. Kowloon. Kowloon Chinese, Cow means number 9. Lu means dragon, pronounced Gao Long. Gao Long, Long means dragon. You know the famous movie star Jackie Chan. His Chinese name is Seng Long. Long means dragon, successful dragon. Yeah. Bruce Lee, his Chinese name Lei Xiu Long. Lei surname Xiu Long, smaller dragon. Yeah, dragon is a very powerful name. Choosing for the male, like Jackie Chan, Bruce Lee, they all call dragon. That's why Kowloon means nine dragon, very powerful name. So Hong Kong, Kowloon, new territory. So now all belong to China since 1997, July 1st, already 28 years. So this island, Lantau Island, is the biggest island of Hong Kong, twice bigger than Hong Kong Island. Hong Kong Island only 80 square miles. Whole Hong Kong 1,100 square miles. We have a 7.4 population, 7% majority is Chinese. Also we have 200,000 Filipino workers working in Hong Kong.
Bus 1, ha? Ayan sila, ha? Ano mo? Ayan. Seven, bus 2, bus 1. Bus 1, bus 1. Uy, ang gwapo naman ng ano mo.
Yes.
Siya na ulit. Maraming turista. Puro turista, oh.
Correct. Pag hindi mo pinost yan, ha?
Hoy, pinupost ko to. Yok. Basahin mo to. No klimbing. Ano na? No klimbing yun. ZMB bus na yan.
Nakulo na.
Puno na. Sa baba na tayo, ay sa baba pa lang tayo niyan, hindi tayo makakataas.
Nauna na sila.
Oo, nauna na. Puno na.
Okay, walay tayo.
Naiwalay tayo.
Okay, tayo, Brad, ha? Ay, naiwalay tayo.
Walang taas yan.
Ha?
Walang taas. First floor lang yan.
Ano?
Gusto mo sa baba ka, dito sa baba. Meron baba yan, ano?
Pwede dito sa baba.
Ito may first floor at saka second floor din. Kaso sa baba, mga bag lang eh.
Ano, dito tayo?
Uy, wala may second floor. First floor lang katulad. Ito may second floor. First floor tayo.
Gugutob-gutob. Wala second floor.
Wala floor eh.
Yeah.
First floor. Dito second floor.
Dito tayo.
Mamaya makakasakay din tayo doon sa may second floor.
Ay, Will.
Well, ay tayo partner mo ha.
Ay, dako pa kayo diri day, hawan kayo day.
Ah.
Kailan yan doon sa likod? First floor, second floor.
First floor, second floor. May floor store sa baba.
Ang basto. Wala na. Asa din sila si Susiti ay? Asa naman sila?
Mahaba to, brats. Parang ano na to. Halos Pampanga hanggang Maynila. Yung tulay na to. 55 kilometers eh. 60 lang sa ano eh. Balinta sa ano sa Manila 60 lang.
Ito may pinakamahaba.
Ito nga yung pinakamahaba. Sa buong mundo na to. Sabi kanina, hindi ka nakikinig eh. Nagano eh, sa mata. Dito tayong nyok. Nyok, bungad na tayo. Ano na tayo dun sa Macau? Ano? Tayo. Yan na, mag-umpisa na dito.
Dagat sa SRP.
Nagas mo wala na na. White beach ba to?
Umpisa na dito. Gandulo sa kabila. 55 kilometers. Kaya layo yan.
Kanang, muna na siya ang longest na bridge. Mads!
Nakalimutan ko yung sinabi nung kanina kung ilang tons yung kaya niya. Parang 30,000 yata. Pagka ano, sumobra, bibigay. Mahirap yung ano, sa ilalim ng dagat. Waterproofing.
It's a part of adjustment.
Dati nang wala bang bridge, ito yung sinasakyan. Pero isang oras din yung biyahe, Brads. Nandun makikita mo, Juhan na yun. Puro bus. Bus na naman yan papuntang Venetian. Puro lakad. Lakad ng lakad. Gutom na yung kasama ko. Gutom na naman. Eat, sleep, eat. Touchdown Macau. Yan, papunta kami ng Venetian. Yok, dami oh.
Some time in Venetian, but Venetian is not the only place that you're going to spend time. It's going to be Parisian too and Londonette. So you're going to meet the street just like in Vegas. So this place, the street, I mean, makes the life in Macau very expensive. And I'm telling you why. I've been here for 23 years. I've become a resident of Macau. I didn't change my citizenship. I'm still a Romanian, born and raised. But I become a resident, so I've seen all the changes. So by saying that, back in 2003, Macau was nothing. Only one casino, Lisboa, 1969. That's it. But 2004, 2005, casinos, owners from America start business in here. So, Sands is the first American casino that opened in Macau in 2004. And back in the day, before that casino was open, one apartment, 2 rooms, 1 living room, 1 toilet, 1 balcony was around 200 to 300,000 Hong Kong dollars. Well, after the first casino was open, the same apartment became 1.5 million. And then Steve Pool opened in 2005, new casino. So like this, Macau started to change. Now one apartment that back in the day, 2003, 2004, let's say was like 300,000, now it's around 6-7 million Hong Kong dollars. So that's why Macau life is very expensive, because of this lifestyle, casino lifestyle, right? We don't have any factories, we don't have industries, we don't have much, we only have tourism. So we based on tourism. So that's how Macau survives. Now we have casinos, people come and able to feel free to do that if you want. I know in Philippines you have a casino. I forgot what company is that? Sands or what is the casino you have in Philippines now? I forgot. You have a casino there.
Casino Philippines.
Okay. It's not America, right? It's America? Owner? Yeah. Well. Yeah. Oh, well, they are everywhere, you know, when it comes to casino, the Americans. But in Macau we have Hong Kong, we have local, and we have American involved, okay? So, yeah. In our days you can find around 40 casinos, big and small. Our first stop is the Race of St. Paul. The Race of St. Paul is the landmark of Macau. So every time they will talk about Macau, they will show St. Paul. St. Paul, the original name is not St. Paul, it's Mother Day, which means Holy Mother. And it was built by the Jesuits back in 16th century, most likely in 1583, as I remember. And was built in wood and destroyed by fire twice. The most significant fire took place in 1835. Since then, never rebuilt. Only the facade remained and became the landmark of Macau that you're going to see in a few minutes, maybe 15 minutes if it's not big traffic. So yes, it's a beautiful place, and also next to St. Paul you have the fortress, but we're going to spend around 1 hour there, and then after that we're going to head to the lunch, have lunch at the hotel by 12 o'clock. So, Macau is a place full of tourists. When we arrive at St. Paul, keep around your belongings, because many tourists, okay? So it's important for you to... In Macau, people don't steal, don't do bad things. Macau is very safe. Population of Macau is actually 700,000. So it's very small and very well controlled. But tourists, you don't know. So, you know, keep around your belongings, as I always say to my tourists every day. Cost of living, renting, gas, like for a liter, I don't know how much is in Philippines now. But here for 1 liter of gasoline is $2 US. I don't know how much is in Philippines, so you can convert in pesos, but for us it's expensive. And the cost of living, renting, it's like for example, one apartment to rent is between 9,000 Hong Kong dollars to 15,000 Hong Kong dollars. That depends where you live. And minimum salary 6,000 Hong Kong dollars, medium 12 to 18. Maximum it can reach over 30 to 50 to 60,000. So yeah, depends on the place you're working and your skills. So this trip is going to be short. It's not going to be long in hours, but short in visiting, because we have a stop at the Ruins of St. Paul, which is the landmark of Macau. And beside the St. Paul, we're going to go to have lunch.
Picture pa more!
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Miss Belle.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Where's the best one?
Last one?
Yeah.
Somewhere along the way.
Really?
They're scattered. Kala ko, ma'am, sama-sabang sila.
Ay, wala yan.
Ma'am, saan sila?
Hindi ko alam, hinahanap ko eh.
Hindi, baka nandyan. Dyan lang yan.
Hindi, full yung data ko.
Bakit, ma'am? Ay, pwede bang ano? Bumili ka bang Hong Kong ano?
Oo, pero meron ibang sinarge ko.
Para dito?
Meron akong binili for
Ah,
Pero inano ko muna.
Ah, sa roaming. Baka dual SIM ka, ma'am. Buti na iwalay ka, ma'am.
Eh, napagod sila papapicture kay ano eh. Alimutan ko na pangalan.
Yan si Alex daw eh. Sabi nung kasama niya eh.
Alex yung pangalan niya?
Ay, yung bus one.
Ay, talaga. Siguro.
Sa bilihan na agad nagpunta yung mga yun.
Hindi, ma'am, iikot daw muna dito kasi historical to eh.
Oo. Okay naman. Naka-picture ka doon sa church?
Saan ba yung church, ma'am?
Doon sa una.
Ah, sa unahan. Baka nandun sila.
Hindi, wala na.
Hindi ka naman iiwan, ma'am.
Ay, okay.
Magsama na lang tayo, ma'am. Baka.
Ayan, ano yata ito eh, di ko na
Opo.
Isa yung harapan nila yun. Wala ko ba ito? Picture like yung bus one?
Andun kanina, ma'am.
Ayun.
Doon sa parang souvenir store. Pero mukhang wala dyan, ma'am eh.
Pagod lang yung tuhod natin.
Ito, ma'am. Kalasan ko na lang. Okay, ma'am, no?
Yan ko ng puno ka.
Yun, ma'am. Sa kawayan na sila. Mag 11:30 na eh. Parceta do Museo de Macau. Ah, si ano pa lang, si Sergio pa lang, ma'am eh. Sir, pa-picture din kami, Sir Jason. Ay, meron dito, ma'am. Ito, ma'am, di naglalakad. Akyat lang. Museo de Macau.
Ang bayad, 1,500.
Ah. Huwag naman.
Pambili na lang natin.
Mahal din yan.
1,500 ano, platas, patatas ka. Ang narin lang dito.
Kuya, meron kayong Tagalopez na kasama po? Batangas?
Oh, ma'am. Meron.
Batangas meron, Lopez meron.
Number 7. Bus 7.
Lopez po. Opo, bus number 7. 7 po? 7 daw. Hindi pa po nakakarating.
Hindi, ma'am. Ikot-ikot na sila.
Ay, pati tayo dyan. Bakit po? Wala kasi po, meron po kami inaantay na mga kamag-anak na mag-remit sa Pilipinas.
Magre-remit na ano.
Agent kasi ako dito. Remit ako dun sa...
Wala signal yun, ma'am eh.
Tingnan nyo na lang may kwintas na kulay green na mayroong bus number.
Ha?
Ayan, tuhan.
Retaste. Ano, pagka may pagkain, dun siya eh. Ha? Hindi. Ma'am. Gutom ka na, ma'am?
Kasi bumili siya ng sa iPhone ka ba?
Oh, ma'am. May iPhone.
Yung eSIM niya.
Ah, eSIM niya, ma'am. Ano yun, Macau o Hong Kong?
Lahat. Ano yun 14. Maraming
14 countries. Sir Jason, ma'am, yung ano, nagpasa. May McDo din. Oh, finding the bus na. Init. Hali.
Nagkuntay pa. Yung pagaligan, napagod.
Akyat daw, akyat. Parang straight lang ng Binondo, no? So, Ibingtin. Ibingtin yan. Ibingtin, Binondo.
Let's go. Let's go. Hello.
Ay, nasi Jeddah. Asan na si Jeddah? Wala naman sa malaki tayo. Bri, kindly.
Aba.
Please. Thank you. Sabi niya kasama.
Hindi ma'am, naka-ano naman tayo. 1, 2, 3. Okay, smile. Okay po. Dami yun, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Pero ako din. Para ano, pawis-pawis lang ng konti. Hello po. Naka-video naman, sir. Siyempre, para ano, solo naman ako.
Ito na kami Thank you po.
Sir, last na lang po. Picture naman. Thank you po. Sige po. Kala ko malamig sa Baguio. Mainit din pala. Kala ko nga malamig. Kasi nung kami malamig eh.
Nalalakad naman tayo sa dito.
Ha? Oh. Bilis.
Hindi ako naniniwala.
Napagod tayo yun.
May flower arrangement na.
Smells familiar.
Pamilyar na. Ay, auto shop dito. Sikip, hanggang 4 lang, no? Ano? Smells familiar.
Napagod yata tayo to.
Mga hindi nag-procession ng mahal na araw, ito yung procession. Procession, dami, oh.
Bumulas na yung tiray ko.
Ano kanya kay Ma'am Jonah, inis na. Ma'am, okay lang procession natin. Mahal na araw. Oy!
Iyakan mo. Isa pa lang ang punta namin, temple pa lang.
Yan na, napawisan na si Ate Telma, oh.
Para makukonsin ko sa akin.
Konti na lang, matuturuan mo na ng formalist kuya dyan. Mainit.
Sabi niya dito, ito rin makasama ko.
Lakad tayo sa Babination dyan.
Oo, maglalakad tayo hanggang Binisan yan.
May sa seminary, maglalakad ka rin ng ganyan.
Walk halfway. Just wait a moment here.
Here.
Yeah.
So the bus is
Well, the
here.
rest people coming. The tour guide coming. Okay. Here is the cooling.
Cooling. So where's the bus? Coming. You don't know.
Now the tour guide here.
Okay, okay.
Kahit siya, hindi niya alam. Nasa limpas
Alexander, okay.
Where is Ruby? Where is he?
Ano ba?
Oh, let's go ulit. Baba. Yan, dami. Lakad ulit. Pinainit nyo si Ma'am Jonah, ha?
Bakit?
Ano, init-init. Pinagsinakulo.
Ano ginawa ko? Pinadala ko sa kanya, binili ko.
Wait lang daw. Sa malilim na tayo, sa baba. Ano ba dito? Okay. Let's go.
Go!
Mag-MTR tayo. MTR?
Okay.
Is this a bus station or
Underground. They just
underground?
Let's go!
on the swing.
Let's go!
I want to know if it's the same place like before.
May bus station pala dito.
$20 one.
Biscuit
Ano nandito?
Ay.
Treasure Hotel.
Right.
Ano?
Pasana ka pa bunto.
Matatapyas ulo mo dito. Yan, buti may aircon. Laki ng aircon, no?
Dầu lì gạo ấy tôi.
Ay ma'am, basta po. Bus 1. Oh, nakaano pa. Nakalagpas na. New York, saan tayo? Doon bandang York. Doon. Malapit ka sa pick-up area. Alam mo na yung ano mo. Saan yung pick-up area, bossing? Okay. Opo, wala, hindi ko lang po alam kung sino yung dyan. Sa'yo pala.
Joke lang.
Meron po may-ari ka ako sana. Diyan tayo eh.
Di ba tayo galing?
Hindi ma'am, diyan tayo papunta niyan. Ay hindi pa, Benicia na ba to? Galaxy Macau pala.
Ito ma'am oh.
Pero nagpunta pala kami dyan.
Ito?
So guys, we are here in Venetian. Up, picture muna. Tor.
Pastor.
Anto, ay video pala to. 3. Picture po. Okay lang? Picture po. Venetian na. Picture, panda.
Tama yung pangalan mo.
Kungbu panda.
Okay na, okay. Okay. Oh.
Basta mag-picture oh. Picture yan oh. Ganyan oh. Oh.
Di ba malamig? Malamig-lamig. Buti dito malamig. Labas mainit. Pwede ka na daw mag-shopping, no? Shopping. Ha? Mahal talaga. Picture.
Ano bibili rito?
Wala. Tingin lang.
Mahal yata rito.
Kung sabihin yun, ano mo namang kumikita ka eh. Gastusin mo muna yung kinita mo. Wala nga lang kumita ka, hindi mo gagastos yun ang gagawin mo dun. Casino na yan.
Ha?
Casino.
Kunyari naglalaro tayo.
Casino dyan. Huwag tayo dyan. Taas, pwede.
Eh, po muna tayo dyan. Break muna tayo. Break.
Ma'am, saan ka?
Dito. Sa likod ni ma'am. Picture tayo sa kanya.
Slot machine, ma'am. San libo.
Saan ba tayo?
Grand Canal.
Ha?
Grand Canal nga. Punta tayo ng Venetian.
Ma'am, dito na kayo. Ate Vicky, RM.
Punta tayo ng McKinley. Yun, McKinley. Yun na yung Venetian buds. Dali, mamaya tayo bibili. Tignan muna natin yung ano. Oo. Bitura lang. Video ko na. Tara. Saan si Richard? Papicture natin sana kay mama. Doon tayo. Gods.
ano.
Wala, grabe. So, picturean kita dito. Ngayon, dito.
Pero sa takik nito eh.
Kuhanin mo na rin daw si ma'am.
Agad eh. Agad daw. Biglang umaon.
Ano? Bili ng sapatos? Mahal niya daw, mahal niya daw. Alam mo na. Ha? Mahal mo na. Wala ka nang magagawa.
Yan ang alam mo, bibili niya eh, mahal-mahal eh.
Second floor na bus. Second floor. Mas na second floor, friends. Ah, nasing ka na.
Hindi naman ako lang shoot.
Ah, napauwi na. Immigration na ulit.
Ayan.
Pauwi na ng Hong Kong.